Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. So I'm back with my voiceover video. So yeah, I'm Rownok Mahbub and you are watching my channel, Rownok Mahbub. So actually in previous video I feel like some kind of half of time the video actually cut down and only showing this hero section, and I'm really sorry for that. You guys can download that code on my GitHub link. Okay, go check it out, and sorry for that. And let me know my voice is clear, and actually I am new in this YouTube, and I want to go with YouTube with you guys. And one more thing, I'm also learning English as well, so if any mistake I make, then please forgive me. Okay, so let's get started. Today we will make this beautiful website. Okay, so let's get started. Hey, I am back again. So now we will learn this testimonial section, how we can build these testimonial sections, as well as under down we can see the blog section, and this call to action, and also the footer area. So this Figma link also I will be attached with my I will attach with my video. So go and check it out. Okay, so I hope you guys will have it. Let's get started. So let me create testimony. See, I'm using React extension called S7 or something. You guys can install this extension. Back to the first cleaner, so that it will up both side photo to make it center. So yeah, just add these things to the index. Okay, so now go to the design. I already make this button in previous section, like this section, also this section. So I will go to that part and copy that thing. This called service. Here, this particular name. Its name testimony. Tag. Copy this text from here. You guys also can do coding with me, so that you can learn what's going on line. I'm using Tailwind CSS, so I'm using this Tailwind CSS class. Let's give it text for Excel. So like this, I think a bit more. See, yeah. So now let's copy these things as well and go to here, paste. Semi-bold or something? Semi-bold. So we'll also text base. Text will be gray and 500 a little bit. Break in. So here and what I need to do, okay, get in touch button, right? We already created this button in previous video in all service, so we will go to the service, copy that things to this one. I'm not to the full code because I already show you scan check it would x justify and by in you will not get just okay. I think this will not work. Let's just carry it out. So what we will do, we will make a div in here, flex, and we will justify the content end so that it will go end of this div. So justify. So if we go here, yeah, now it's fine, right? So what is its name actually? It was like get in touch, right? Get in touch. So let's keep it get touch. Okay. So now, yeah, right. We have three type of section, right? So one image, title, subtitle, sorry, name, what a name. Okay, so we will use this. We will use React Map for these things. If you don't know about map, I think you need to know about map because it's really important. So let's give it a name like what is this says testimony, right? So now what we will do, we will use map, right? So yeah, so let's go here and first we need to create a grid. We use grid, we will use grid here, and in grid column grid call once, and then sm name md grid calls 2, and the lz it calls 3, and let's give gap between those three things. Like we are like this will be gap 10, okay, and in large size it will split into 3, and in sm or amd will be it will be 2, and for small skin or mobile skin it will be 1. Okay, so now what we will do in here, we will create a map. Okay, sorry, we will call this like testimonials, okay, dot map, then arrow function. If you know JavaScript, also you need to know arrow function, right? Yeah, and I return with a div, okay, and yes, we will set a key I so that it will know which part of these things will include. I will test comma I, okay. So I will create these things in the upper side in here, const testimonials, okay. The things are correct, right? Oh sorry, it will not be capital, it will be small tree, and paste in here, okay, testimonial, and under here we will create array. First will be image, right? So image image, and then the second one will be name, Okay, name. So the name will be like whatever it is. Let's just empty, keep it empty, and company name, right? CNAME. Let's make it as CNAME. Okay, and then the next one will be title, subtitle, and still will be same. Title and sub. Let's make it sub. So guys, subscribe to my channel. Okay. Okay. Assets slash. I think I need to download this image. Wait. This 3 1. Okay. Let's just download these things as SVG. Export it as SVG with my. Sorry for that. Asset, yeah. So TS1, this will be TS2, and this will be TS3. Okay, so we will call these things in here like ts1.svg, and name will be like John Doe. Okay, John Doe, DUO, whatever it is, no issue. Company name like company name. I make mistakes so much. And then the title. My English language is not that good. Sorry for that, guys. My English is not that good. I'm really struggling with my English, so I want to improve my English speaking. Okay. Now the sub, right? The sub will be here. So we will copy these things and paste to more like this way, and change it to TS2, TS3. Okay, make it Anna, Jolly, whatever it is, name. Okay, and Sophia. Sophia. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I am using this map so that I can use this again and again with the key. Like I will call with test, and we can see here in test we are getting from testimonials image, name, CNAME, title, and subtitle. So what we will do in here, first we need to give it a class name. Okay, we'll give it a class name called we will make this thing. Let's see. We need to select this color, like this color, right? So VZ will be here, and it will be rounded kind of Excel, and yeah, let's just stick to this point and make the other things. So I will first flex this div, then flex and make a gap between those things, and this will be a flex call so that it will column wise or something like that. So first let's give a flex, and let's give a gap for okay, and just call the image. And in src, what we will give in src, in this bracket we will call test.img. So when we will go, what will test Oh, sorry, not test, TS. It is TS, not test. Okay, so yeah, now if we go down here, we can see the image already came, right? Oh, I forgot to give the third name, right? TS3, is it alright? Wait, let me check, double check. Oh, sorry, I forgot it. Wait, let me change the name. TS3. Okay, now it will appear, I think so. Inspect. Sometimes it will not appear, then you need to hard cache and reload, then it will appear. Yeah, see. Okay, so now what we will do, let's give it a like image or something like that, a person. Or when you are offline, this will show like this is a person pictures. Okay, now we will flex this div and give it flex call. Okay, when we give flex call, what will happen? Let's give you the example, like test dot name, and another thing will be test dot company name, company, or what it was, cname, sorry, cname. Okay, when we go here, you can see when we flex call, this will go with column wise, right? By default the flex will go with row wise, and it will now go in column wise. So I think we need to give gap both side, right? You can see. So let's go to this div and give a padding x, like x row, it will around 6 pixel, and also padding y 6 pixel. So we will not give these things in this way. No, it's okay, we can give this in this way, no issue. Now you see it looks good, right? It looks good more than that. Okay, fine. Now, and they give more gap. I am not giving that more gap. Okay, so okay, now it now come with the this part. Okay, now we don't need to do any flex or something like that. We just call those what again, test dot title, and also here test dot sub, I think so, sub, yeah, sub. So let's see, it's come, yeah, it's coming, right? Oh, the opacity, the background opacity is not that good, so I need to make sure it's opacity 10%, right? You guys can see it's opacity 10%. So how we will give this in Tailwind CSS? By using slash to this pg and make it 10, so it will happen, right? Nice, ta-da. Okay, so we need to give this gap, right? So let's just give a gap between this section, gap around 10, py 10. So yeah, now it looks good, right? So now what we'll do, lorem sub also done, and we need to take these stars. Let's just like export these things in this way. Okay, it's busy and star. Okay, and go and call it in under down section in here, like img assets slash star. Okay, dot svg, so it will appear perfectly, right? So I think we need to give some gap, right? So we will make these three things in a div. Let's make a flex, and what I actually usually do, sorry, Control X, Control V. Okay, so I will make these things as a flex and give it flex call, and make a gap between these three items, so that, yeah, you see the gap. Okay, now I need to make this text bigger, right? because you see here it's bigger. So let's just give it the title around like what can I say, 2XL or something like that, and font will be like around kind of semi bold things. Yeah, now it looks good, right? Okay. And the text, oh no, semi bold, not semi bold, it's like medium, DIO medium. And for the sub part, I think I need to make the text a little bit smaller, so SM will be perfect. Right. So yeah, and the gap, acha, okay, so they give a lot more padding Y in here, right? So if we give padding Y 10, let's give it more, like 16 or something like that. No, it's not looking that good, right, guys? What do you guys think? Let me know down comments. Sorry. Okay. I think we need to give a space between these things, right? So let's just go here and UI3. Yeah. Nice, looks good. Okay, so I need to make this item center or start center. So I need to make these things item center. So go here and item center, so that the item will be go center, right? Yeah, that looks perfect. So our testimonial section actually done. Now what we will do, okay, so the blog session you can see here, it almost similar to this part, right? This testimonial sections. So we don't do new code. We will just copy this whole things and make some changes on there. Okay, so like if I control A, copy, okay, copy the whole things, and like you just make a section blog.js. okay, so paste that things and just rename these things, control D, and paste control D, then it will appear, and make these things change blog. Okay, so now we will call these things in the index.js blog. Yeah, okay, so okay, so we came to the blog. What we need to change, go to the design, read our article and news, right? So just copy this thing and go to here, down, up, no, up, yeah, like here we need to change, like, yeah. Okay, so hour we need to, in after hour we need to give space, right? In hour, because in this design read hour. Okay, so read hour, then give it a PR so that it will go down below. So here, see, okay, so yeah, and make these things also changeable, like blog, okay. And what I need to change, all post, the button needs to be all post, okay. Now come to this part. We need to, I think we already download this thing. Wait, let me check in my file. Is it, yeah, blog 1, blog 2, blog 3. Okay, no issue. So what we need to change, one image, okay, and we need to give this thing in here. Okay, so what we will do, image, then name will be name, then it will be date. So yeah, go here and his name, CNAME will be date, okay, and company name, it will be 21 August 2022, something like that, 23, whatever it is. Okay, so now title, subtitle, and read more. Okay, so now title, subtitle, title, subtitle, enough. Okay, fine. Those are fine, I think so. Let's go and here. Okay, we need to change this image, right? So go here and let's check the design first. Oh, I need to, okay. So what we will do in here, okay, so in this part we don't need this div anymore, so let's just get rid of this div. Be careful when you erase those things, okay, because it will catch you in a big way or something like that. Okay, like if I go here, okay, now I need to change the name as well as blog 1, blog 1, blog 2, blog 3, blog 3. Huh? I think those are PNG. Here it comes, right? Okay, we need to get rid of this py section. So okay, so we give the py section in here. Here we can give it padding bottom, but we don't need to padding top. Yeah, and the image should be, image width should be full, so that it will cover the full area. Oh, I also give the px things, right? So I don't need to give the px things in here. We'll use px in the bottom below. Okay, and rounded excel, and we need to overflow hidden, so that the image also be rounded. When I do overflow hidden, the image also be rounded. You see, right? You can see in here. Okay, and okay, so I need to give you a relative, and no, we will not give this in this particular position. With this relative in here, the image also be under this relative div, and there will be a p tag which will called like tes dot name. Okay, and it will be absolute. We need to make this position absolute, and bottom 0, left 0. If we go down here, we can see it's already came here. Okay, it's not visible enough, so I need to make this background gray 500. Okay, and give it some padding, px2, py1. Now it's more visible, right? Okay, let's just make it around. Let's just make it a more roundable things, I think so. Yeah, LZ, and bottom 2. Sometimes I think, yeah, it looks more good rather than this, right? Let me know down in the comments below. This looks good, or which I create this looks good. Okay, so now, and the text will be white. Now it's more visible, more appealing to look at. Okay, so August date, the date I need to call in here before title, to call date, test.date, and let's see it first. Yeah, it comes in here. Okay, let me just give the padding things in here right now, what we want to give, and padding y also. Now it looks more good, right? Okay, so now these things need to be white, because yeah, so text will be white. And this also needs to be more grayish type, like text gray. 400. Yeah, it also needs to be 400, right? And 400. This looks pretty good. Okay, now read more button. Button, read more. Let item start. Okay, now the button color will be primary, and hover, underline, and underline. Okay, so let's see. Perfect, right? Yeah, so let's build this call to action. Okay, so cta.js, let's call this as cta.js. okay, and we need to call in the index file cta. okay, now yeah, cta is come. Okay, already came in here. So we need to flex, and this will be in one div, this will be in another div, and these two will be in the main div, which will be flex, and the justify will be between, so that it will make gap between those things. Okay, and we will give a lot more padding so that it will look like this. So yeah, let's get started to the CTA. Okay, so here's CTA, make it container mx auto, so to make everything in the center. Okay, and we need to give a background. Let's just copy the color from the Figma. You see, I am copying this, and its opacity is 10%. So in Tailwind CSS, what we will do, we will use \10, so it will work perfectly. Yeah, it's not showing, no issue. So now what we'll do, I already said you that flex, we need to give flex justify between, and item center. Okay, so this is the main div, and now we will do here this part we will do first. So it will also be flex call, right? So go to here and again call flex, and we will give flex call and make a gap between those two things around 4. Okay, and what it is saying. Okay, so now go to p tag, paste the things, and give it class name text white, and text 4XL, and font the semi bold. Okay, go here and check it out. Yes, it's working, right? Okay. Okay, let's just keep this. I don't know why it's not working. px10. Okay, let's do the code. We will fix that issue later. And go to here Figma as well and copy these things and paste these things in here. Okay, and plus name text gray 400 and all the things will be perfect, right? Yeah. Oh, okay, scaling and okay, scaling we need to give BR in here, right? Yes. Now it looks more good. Okay, so now PY10 also. Perfect? Not perfect or perfect? Let me know comment in the comment. Okay, so I think let's just create a div. Sorry. Just create a div and give this div under down in here. And if we go right now, am I doing any mistakes? I don't know why the container not working properly. I have no idea. Oops, sorry. px 20 and now it's working. Yeah, we're not giving any px. Oh, I need to give it px. Okay, fine. px 20 or 10. 16. Okay, I need to give more padding in here. Okay, so construct, after construct we need to give a break also, as well as with the design we provide in here. So yeah, service and contact us, right? So we already make this button in here as well as also in here. So we will go to services pages and copy these things, and yeah, we'll go again the CTA and we need to give a flex again. I already told you why, and they need to gap between those two things 10, and item will be center. And copy the code service and also go to the service and copy this thing as well and go to CTA and paste the things in here. Sorry. Now if we go in here, you see it's come perfectly. Okay. Contact our service, contact us. Okay, our service, and it will be contact us. Okay, I need to give it a busy what happened? Oh, sorry. Okay, I think we need to make these things rounded XL. Okay, so now let's come to the growify, it means like the footer area, right? Okay, we are actually the last part of this video. You see guys, I'm working for you guys, and please support me as well and motivate me with subscribe so that I can make more video like this. Footer.js. It takes too much time to code, which I'm making for you guys right now, so please subscribe for my new channel. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll use grid. How many grid you need? 1 2 3 4, right? 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I'm just give it lz grid calls 4. And if you guys want mobile version of this website, please subscribe and share to your friends so that I can get motivated, and I will make this website as mobile version also. Okay, and let me give a gap. What will be the gap, right? So gap will be around 10 I guess. It's okay. Okay, now logo, right? Sorry, I use that things as assets logo dot svg. We forget to add this footer in the main page. Footer, yeah, now it will appear, you see. Okay, and go to footer part, and we need to give it padding my10. No, my name py, not my. Okay, now I need to make it as flex, right? Okay, flex, and we will flex call these things. You already know, I already told you about these things, right? And gap between those things is 5, and go to image and cut, paste in here, and yeah, now we need to copy this text in here, paste. Okay, class name text gray 400, and let's just give it a width around, not 500, like 450 pixel. Yeah, perfect. And I need to make this image as well as a little bit. Let's just give the height around 20. Oh no, 20 is too big. 10 is perfect. And we see here everything is center, right? So we need to keep the item in start. So let's go here and set it as items start here. Okay, now it will go to start. Okay, now we need to, I'm not using the React icon, I just use the SVG only, because I already show you the React icons uses in my previous video. Go and check it out. Okay, so yeah, and here I will call those images. I can make it that not a issue, but the video will be get longer. So social, right? cr.svg. Yeah, it's come. Okay, Now in this particular 3 section we need to make changes. We will give again we will take flex. Oh sorry, why did I make this same mistake, guys? Flex call. Tailwind is really good actually, because you see when you use only CSS or bootstrap type of things or material type of things, it will take too much time, but Tailwind take too less time to build any website. So that's why I use Tailwind CSS, and it's more handy, and it has just-in-time compiler. It will only run those CSS which will use the website make visible. Only that CSS will run in the background, so your page will be load faster, more faster, right? So that's why I use Tailwind CSS. So okay, get back to code. Pages, class name, text white, and font semi bold, and text a little bit big, Excel. I think that will be perfect for okay, I need to cut these things more, otherwise it will come to another section. So 350 will be perfect or not, let's see. No, I think 300 pixel is good. Yep. Okay, now get back to the page sections, and what we need to do here, home, about, service, package. So like home, and we will not give any font kind of things, and not also the and the text will be LG, large size. No, large size is not that good. I need to make it SM. Okay. Okay, home. Okay, cursor will be pointer. Sometimes I miss those things, right? Sorry for that. Okay, home. Now we'll copy about services, packages, etc. Yeah, remember that I am giving you this code only, it's only you will use personal use only, okay, not in like commercial use or something like that. If you do that, then that will be a little bit weird, because you know better than me. Utility pages, I'm not changing those things because you know. And subscribe to our newsletter, right? Okay, subscribe to our newsletter. You see, I make every code clean. It looks more clean and more readable to other developers as well as, okay, gap, sorry, let's call okay, subscribe to our newsletter. First will be wait, let me copy these things first and paste in here, and again copy, okay, paste in here. After that, what we need, lorem ipsum, a little bit lorem ipsum. You guys know about lorem ipsum, right? I'm not getting the deep dive of lorem ipsum. And text SM will be good for these things, and let's just keep a break to this. Text wipe, no. Font semibold, no. Just text SM will be fine, I think so. Yeah. And now these things I need to make, so I will give flex and gap will be 5 and item will be center. Okay, and yeah, now I will take input value, input type will be text, and make a placeholder. And what we need to do in here, enter your email, right? So enter your email. So okay, now what we will do, enter your email. Okay, fine, that's fine. Oh, we need to make change of this. We need to give the busy background. What we actually, busy transparent, let's just use a transparent and see what will happen. Yeah, okay, focus. After focus, the outline will be none, because when you see now the outline gone, right? But we need to keep the border and make it more rounded. So let's just px3 and py2 and give it a border, and border color will be gray 300. Okay, let's go here and check it out. Yeah, you see now it looks good, right? So now now we will go here and make it rounded full. Perfect. Give it px a little bit more. Okay, now the another thing is subscribe button. I already make it, you guys know, right? So I go to this part, and yeah, this one, go to footer and paste that thing. Actually I use in here like you see btn primary, I actually use what can it say, I forgot that. I use wait, let me remember, then I will daisy UI. Okay, I use this daisy UI. You guys can also install npm i daisy UI, and how to use you can see. Okay, so yeah, so get in touch, it's too big I think, so I need to make this width. Let's just not give it any width. Yeah, now perfect. Now it will be subscribe, right? You see guys, please subscribe that every YouTuber actually will tell you that guys subscribe, please subscribe. Okay, so now I think a little bit bigger. Yes, yeah. So I think we are done with this whole video. Yeah, right? So let's just, yeah, wow, it looks good, really good, right? Nice. Okay, so thanks guys for watching, and I'm recording the voiceover first in this video, so if I make any mistake, please forgive me. And I will also I'm from Bangladesh actually, and if you guys are watching from Bangladesh, and if you guys want in Bangla language, then please let me know down in the comment below, and I will make another website with Bangla language also. My target is actually I want to spread my learning to all over the world, so that everybody can learning from this channel. So yeah, that's for today, and subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.